probability for the number of students in statistics classes offered at a small college is given, but one value is missing. Fill the missing value in, then answer the questions that follow. You may round your answers to 2 decimal places if necessary. So the first part is we're missing this probability for 29. And the way we're going to find that is that everything in this column, the probabilities all here, because it's either all the total possible outcomes. So the probability of all of these possible outcomes has to add to one whole. So what we're going to do is we're going to add up all the numbers, and then we're going to subtract all the other numbers that are here, all the other probabilities, and then add them up and then subtract that from 1, and we're going to find the missing one here. So I add the 0.09, get my calculator. Plus 0.13 plus 0.16 plus 0.11. And it gives me 0.49. So then I thought those were small numbers. I'm going to double check. I just want to input those correctly when I have 4 values and I put them in and it looks good. So then I do 1 minus, there's a neat little trick here. I can do second this negative sign here and it inputs the last answer. So this is doing 1 minus this 0.49 for me. And I press enter, and then that gives you 0.51. So that's the missing number that we have there. Okay, then it says find the mean number of students in a statistics class at the college. So to find the mean, we did like data before in previous chapters, and then we had to find the mean. And I think that's in chapter like 2. We had to find the mean and standard deviation, and all we had to do was put in the numbers into our calculator and get it. And the same thing is here. So I go stat, edit, and then this calculator is a little bit different than your guys' calculator, but it's so similar. It's like practically the same. So in my L1, I put everything in this X column. So the 26, these are the actual values of the random variable. 27, 28, 29, and 30. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, looks like I did it right. Okay, now I go into L2 and I just put all the probabilities, and everything in my second column here I put into L2. So 0.09, 0.13, and I have to make sure I'm corresponding. Like I can't put, the 0.13 next to the 30 when it ends the calculator. I have to put, corresponding X values with right across from their corresponding probabilities, of course, right? All right, then we go stats, calculate, 1 bar stats. Oh, okay. You know what? I don't like just being in this screen. So I'm going to go second mode, which quits me out and just gets me back to the regular calculator. And then I just have a clear screen to do all my calculations on. And now it says 1 bar stats. You want me to find, the mean, mode, median, and everything of what set up that data. So I go second 1 to input L1. And then I also want it to do the L2 as well. So second 2, and then I close parentheses, and then I press enter. If you don't put L2 in here, it's not going to give you the right answers. Okay, so make sure you put, because you input both L1, your X values here into L1, your probabilities into L2. So you have to make sure that when you say 1 bar stats, so calculate 1 bar stats, you put L1 and L2 there. Okay, otherwise it's just going to be doing things just on the data from L1 only. So your mean is 28.42. And your standard deviation is we're actually using the population standard deviation here. There is no sample, like it says indeterminate. There is no sample standard deviation. So it's 1.124. Those are our answers. All right. I hope you found this valuable. Bye.